Signing up for Instawork is quick and easy. First, download the Instawork app from the iOS or Android App Store. Open the app and register using a valid email address or phone number. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This typically involves uploading a photo of your ID or providing your social security number if you're in the US. Don't worry, there are no upfront fees to join. Once your identity is verified, you're ready to start building your profile. A complete profile is key to getting shifts on Instawork. Start by adding a profile picture and highlighting your skills such as customer service, event staffing, or warehouse work. Include any relevant certifications like a food handler's permit if you have one. Specify your availability, including the days and times you're free to work. Set your preferred location radius. This helps the AI matching algorithm find shifts near you. Browse available shifts, or wait for push notifications for opportunities that match your profile. Apply for shifts instantly. Once confirmed via SMS or email, you're all set. After completing your shift, payments are sent directly to your bank account or digital wallet.